3 female Haitian nationals are now in police custody in relation to the seizure of more than 500 pounds of ganja in Lacovia this morning. Reports are that sometime after 10, the St. Elizabeth police carried out an operation at a premises in an area known as New Alley where the seizure was made. Deputy Superintendent Jamar Stoner spoke with our news team.
When the police arrived at the location, we saw 3 females. All 3 are Haitian. And a search of the premises was carried out, and in doing so the police found and seized 566 pounds of ganja in compressed and loose form. These are packaged in plastic bags and various other containers. The 3 females were taken into custody.